welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is the channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. What do I got for you today? Well, as I'm sitting here in a Hawaiian shorts, sweating, I'm thinking about the fall. And the question I got for you is, it's about pumpkin time. As if you have watched the channel at all very much, you know that I love pumpkin. I like pumpkin ale, I like pumpkin whiskey, anything pumpkin, I like it. I didn't make too much last year, but I need to make some now. Okay, so first things first, I got a glass here with an ice cube in it, and I got some roasted bourbon pumpkin, and roasted corn and roasted pumpkin whiskey, or bourbon, I'm sorry. Well, same thing. Okay, but I do have a big giant question for you guys today. I want to do a pumpkin Palooza. So I want to come up with I got a couple ideas that I got already. Since I did not make a pumpkin ale last year, I usually always make one for the fall, and it needs a little bit of time to age, I feel. So I want to do a pumpkin ale and some type of pumpkin whiskey. And this is where I need you guys. I need some ideas for what else pumpkin that we can make. Okay, so just put your ideals down in the comment section, and we'll pick some pumpkin things to make and enjoy. Oh, first, hey, cheers everybody. That's good. Oh, that's very good. It's about a year old. It is delicious as can be. I do like pumpkin. Now, some people just don't like pumpkin, and I think it's one of the things you either love or you hate. Me, myself, like you know, I love it. So, give me some ideas. I'll be really looking forward to see how many different ideas we can get. Like I said, just leave it down in the comments, and we'll see what we can do. Cheers, everybody. Oh, by the way, this is a bourbon that I made with roasted pumpkin and roasted corn. It's about a year old. You might want to look back. It is fantastic. Oh, very, very, very good. Cheers. Hey, last thing I got to say, hey, thanks for stopping by here on Stillworks and Brewing.